Hey, welcome to Table Flipping Housewife. I'm Amy. Today I'm hopping on to give you just a quick and easy project that anybody can do. It's these nesting tables right here. So sit back and enjoy. Many years ago, I was antiquing with my sister-in-law and she picked these up, and I remember admiring them and wishing I had seen them first. Have you ever done that before? Well, she recently contacted me and asked me if I would like them. She didn't need them anymore, and I said, yeah. So, it's pretty dirty. I will be cleaning them with Krud Cutter's Prepaint cleaner. It says you don't have to rinse it off with clean water when you're done, but I like to. It's important to clean your pieces with a good degreaser. Typically, I just use warm water and Dawn dish detergent, but I was lazy today and the cleaner was right there. And this is such a small piece, both of them, that I just thought I'd do it this way. I've cleaned the other one already. Icky. Now for these areas that already show where the finish is failing, I'm going to use a medium foam pad. This is Surf Prep's medium foam pad, but it's comparable to a 150 grit. So if you have 150 or 220 sandpaper at home, just wrap it around a block or around a soft sponge so that you can get in and out of all the grooves. And then lightly sand that until it is smooth. When that's done, I'm also going to lightly scuff sand the whole thing so that when I go ahead and prime and paint, the primer and the paint will have some teeth to stick to. You want to make sure that it's super smooth, or else you'll have a texture there, like a line, when you go to paint. It's feeling smooth, but I'm going to keep working on that. These stain marks, I remember happened when we had a crawfish boil and something wet went down on them. But because of that, it softened the finish and there's more finish wearing down here. So I'm going to need to keep sanding. Now, one thing that I could do, and you could do, is go get a can of spray paint. And once all the dust is wiped off, you can literally spray it, you'd be done. The only trick with spray paint is that you have to do very light coats. Literally, you don't want full coverage on the first coat. If you go for full coverage, it won't dry properly, it will probably drip. So if you were to do this with spray paint, you just lightly like that. Yes, you can make those noises as you do it. It's kind of fun. The drawback is that you don't have as many colors to choose from, and that's okay. I'm going for black, and I could easily get a can of black spray paint. I personally would choose Satin, not gloss, but that's just my personal preference. I already have paint in my sprayer. It's Valspar cabinet and furniture paint in Caviar, my favorite black. And so I'm going to use that. I'm going to keep going with the scuff sanding, and then either just painting or priming and paint. Haven't decided yet. I'm getting ready to spray the nested tables. I'm going to start with them upside down so I can be sure to get the legs really well. Then I'll turn them over and we'll spray the rest of it. You see those areas I've missed, and that's okay. But overall, I'm sticking to the tarp. Overall, guys, I am digging this sprayer. Oops, something right there I need to get off. It's the following day and it's cold and it's raining. Not the best time to be painting, but it's a weekend and I gotta get it done. I'm about to put a top coat on these nested tables, and I wish you could see and feel how incredibly smooth this is. My new sprayer over there, amazing. I mean, there's no texture at all. It is smooth as butter. So I'm really very, very pleased. So I'm gonna start with these upside down. I'll spray the legs, turn them over, spray the top. I'll end up doing 2 coats. The poly that I'm using, it's been tinted with the black paint, and what I did was when I cleaned out my sprayer last night, I left whatever black paint remained in the vessel just in there. I added the top coat, so the top coat is tinted, which is important when you're top coating something dark. When you tint it with your color, it prevents the top coat going down and having a hazy, streaky finish. I brought the tables inside, cleaned up the glass really well, inserted them back into the tables, and I was done. These really turned out beautiful. They were a super quick and easy refinishing job on them. They look amazing, and I love the finish that I got with the new sprayer. It is like factory finish smooth. It is beautiful.